Let us read the question. This is the question number 18 of exercise 15.1. This kind of question so many times board is asking. This question is important kind of question. They are asking 3 questions in 3 marks, and if they are asking 2 questions, they are asking in 2 marks. So this question contain more marks, and these kind of questions are very easy to solve. Let us read the question. A box contains 19 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. So sometimes they are giving from 1 to 90 means total. Here we will write that total as 90. So here I will write that total, that is 90. But sometimes they are asking that the box contains 19 discs and which are numbered between 1 to 90, then the total will be changed because we not have to count 1 and 90. So read question properly, that what they have given. If one disc is drawn at a random from box, find the probability that it bears. Means 3 क्वेश्चन दिए हमको, 3 अलग अलग वे में सॉल्व करने हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है. वी हैव टू टेक प्रोबेबिलिटी that number should be a 2-digit number. So let us write first one and find the probability that number is 2 digit. 2 digit. Right, 2 digit number we have to find. 1 से 90 के बीच कितने 2 digit number है? तो 1 to 9 1 digit number है, और रिमेनिंग यानी कि 10 से लेकर 90 तक के नंबर्स 2 digit number है. मीन्स टोटल वी गॉट एज 81 if you are counting it. So here let us find the probability, that probability of event P of E is equals to number of favorable outcome, which I am writing in short but you have to write in full form. Favorable outcome divide by total. So favorable outcome we got as 81 and the total is 90. Let us try to reduce it. 9 9s are 81, right? 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. So our answer is 9 upon 10. This is the final answer. Our answer is 9 upon 10 only, because further we can't reduce it. We can write it in decimal form, that is 0.9. So this is the end of this question. Now we have to find question number 2 of this. So in question number 2, that find numbers which having perfect squares. So take out all the perfect square between 1 to 90. Not between, again from 1 to 90, means in that we have to count that 1. So again let me write total as 90, and we are doing second question. So let me write second question. What they said, a perfect square number. So let us write all the perfect square. 1 is perfect square. 1 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 9 9s are 81, and 10 10s are is 100, so we are not counting. So this much possible outcome. So these are the possible outcome or favorable outcome. ठीक है, अभी हमें कितने आउटकम मिले हैं, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इट. सो लेट अस राइट दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट. Again and again I am not writing equation. If you want to write, you can write number of a favorable outcome divide by total. So how many favorable outcome we having? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So 9 upon 90, because our total is 90, we will reduce it. So answer will be 1 upon 10, and if you will convert into decimal point, it will become 0.1. So this is the end of this question. The total is given as 90 and perfect squares are these numbers. Now the third question, a number divisible 5. number divisible 5, you have to remember the table of 5, but we have to count up to 90. Means what we have to do, let me tell you. So we have to write a number divisible 5. So we will write favorable outcome, that will be 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, understood? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Now 90 we have to count in this question. अगर उन्होंने बोला होता between numbers तो तब हम 90 को count नहीं करते. Now we have to find that how many numbers. So let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 number we got, so we have to write 18 and our total is 90. Now we will try to reduce. 9 twos are 18, means 2 will remain over here, and 9 tens are. So we got 2 by 10. So you can write 0.2 also, and if you want to reduce, so let me write 0.2 only, and if you are reducing, you can reduce it as 1 upon 5. So this is the end of this question. Now here let us read question number 19. A child has a die whose 6 side or faces shows letter A, B, C, D, E, A. मीन्स एक डाइस ले लेते हैं और उस पर नंबर लिखे होते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. उसकी जगह हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स स्टिक कर देंगे that A, B, C, D, E and A. Whatever they told us. A die is thrown once. और अगर हम डाई को गिरा रहे हैं, what is the probability to get A? First of all, let us write total, as always I am writing. So let us write total. So here for this question, what is our total? 1, 2. Question to getting A. So A is how many times? A is 2 times. So probability of event is equals to number of a favorable outcome divided by total. So A is 2 times and our total is 7. So our answer will be 2 by 7. So this is the end of first question. Now what is the probability to getting D? So as I told you, I have written equation. So I will write only P of E, means probability of event is equals to D. मुझे सिर्फ एक ही बार दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, तो 1 and our total is 7. So probability to getting D is 1 upon 7. So this is the end of this question. This question is very easy. So here is a question which is little bit different. Suppose you drop a die on a random rectangular region. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle which having diameter as 1? So here one new thing is given. First they have gave this whole area, right? This whole area means whole rectangle. Means you have to find area of rectangle because that is our total. So area of rectangle is equals to L into B. So what is given? 3 into 2. That is 6 and it is in meter. So it is meter square. Then they gave that they gave us what they gave us, that's diameter of the circle. Okay, so let us write for circle. For circle or for area of a circle, but first we find, let me write diameter is equals to 1 meter. So what will be the radius R? So it will be 1 by 2. right? Now we have to find area of circle. Pi r square. Let us substitute what is pi r square. So let us substitute over here. Pi will be 22 by 7 and 1 by 2 square. So answer for the area we are getting 22 by 7 into 1 by 4. Let us reduce it. It will become 11 by 2. So finally we are getting 11 upon 7 to the 14. Right? So here final answer we got as 11 by 4. Let me write it directly. Now we got area and we have to find that dice is. Let me read the question. Question पढ़ते हैं. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle? So we are finding probability means P of E is equals to number of favorable outcome divided by total एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल है और अभी हमने जो ढूंढा वो था 11 by 4 बाई एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 6. So it will become 11 upon 6 4s are 24. Let me read the question. It is question number 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, which 20 are defective and other are good. So सबसे पहले हम डिटेल लिख देंगे. डिटेल में ये लिखना है कि हमें टोटल दे दिया है, तो हम लिख रहे हैं टोटल जो दिया है 144. नंबर ऑफ डिफेक्टिव पेन्स दिया है, तो लेट मी राइट नंबर ऑफ, इन शॉर्ट आई एम राइटिंग डी डिफेक्टिव पेन्स. जो 20 दी है, तो गुड पेन कितनी होंगी? तो लेट मी राइट गुड पेन. लेट अस सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, तो हमको मिलेगा 124. तो 124 पेन्स ऐसी है जो गुड है. नाउ नूरी विल बाय अ पेन इफ इट इज गुड. अगर वो पेन अच्छी है तभी खरीदेगी, बट इट विल नॉट बाय इफ इट इज डिफेक्टिव. द शॉपकीपर ड्रॉज वन पेन एट अ रैंडम. अगर शॉपकीपर वो सारे मिक्स पेन में से एक पेन चूज कर रहा है, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी शी विल बाय. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि गुड पेन की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, यानी हमको लिखना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट. Then you will write the whole equation, that number of F outcome means favorable outcome, which I am writing in short, divide by total. Right? Because of this space I am not writing, but you have to write in a whole way. And it is what? तो our total is हमारा total number of favorable outcome का कितना दिया है? 124. और हमारा टोटल कितना दिया है? 144. अगर हम उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे, सो लेट अस रिड्यूस. 31 4s are 124 and 36 4s are. Now we can't reduce this further on, so this is the our first answer. that the probability that she will buy will be 31 upon 36. Now we are reading the second question. What is the probability that she will not buy it? वो खरीदेगी नहीं, उसकी probability क्या है? मीन्स नॉट गुड पेन होगी तो वो खरीदेगी नहीं, डिफेक्टिव पेन होगी तो वो खरीदेगी नहीं. मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक आउट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डिफेक्टिव पेन्स. मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक that favorable outcome which are 20 and our total is 144. As I told you, 36 fours are and 5 fours are. So 4 से कट हो रहा है तो हमने काट दिया and our answer will be 5 upon 36. So this is the end of this question.